I still blink in the sunset. You know I never wanna make you upset. How did I become so obsessed with this?
Hello friends, welcome to another video. I'm Kuwaiifu and today I'm gonna be showing how to make an outro in PC and for YouTube. So there are two ways to make outros. First, you can make it your own custom way, which is what I'm gonna be showing in the video by searching for a picture on Google for YouTube outro backgrounds, then adding your own music. So first, try searching for an image for your YouTube background for the outro. Then also try finding a good song which will go with your outro. Then download both of them and bring it to your editor. I'm using OpenShot video editor, but you can use anything. So cut the part which you want specifically. For me, it was from starting to a point where it looked perfect. Try making it till 10 seconds minimum. Put it into the editor, and on top you can add the picture for the background of the outro. And there you go, you made the outro. Now the main part is putting the videos on the YouTube, like how we can click it. So first go to YouTube Studio and upload the video. After it's uploaded, there will come an end screen. So press that. And with all these settings, you can add the outro parts, which makes it clickable. And there you go, you have created your own outro. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next video.
Missing someone